So we're out here today at the new Idaho State Observatory in the Bruno Sand Dunes. So we're going to be sealing some block today. So it's a pretty cool project. We've got really cool. We're going to show you the dome that rotates and opens. They're going to be mounting a state-of-the-art telescope in this building. So we're going to be sealing some block today, inside and outside, to make this thing last. So we're trying to resolve a problem here. We made a big mistake when I tightened the interfeed roller. Thought it was already been used and delinted, and that hasn't been. And I just started off, and we've got lint all over this wall that I'm trying to resolve. Picking off the big chunks you can see, and then I'm wiping it down before it dries to smooth out the ones sticking up, and then I'll go back and back roll it after that, and it'll be fixed. But resolve it now, then I won't have to sand it out when it dries. So it's a pro tip: make sure you delint your rollers before you start rolling. I'm gonna start using my interfeed roller. Start rolling up top, working my way down the bottom, and we're using an interfeed roller so we don't create overspray and dust that we have to breathe. Don't have to wear a mask that way. The floor, don't have to worry about overspray dust all over the floor. So now I'm rolling on some locks on XP to seal this block, fill in all these pinholes, and it's a flat product. We want to have a sheen, so we're going to top coat it after this dries. We're going to top coat it with possibly super paint, satin. So typically I do something different if they wanted a sheen, besides the locks on XP to start, but they wanted locks on but didn't realize it only comes in flat. So now we're just going to top coat it when it dries. And so they wanted a sheen on it so it'll be more cleanable and wipeable, because apparently there's going to be a lot of foot traffic inside here when this thing's actually running. See, I'm rolling, instead of going up and down, I'm rolling sideways because this block, it's curved, so rolling up and down leaves trailing edges. So it's a pro tip, make sure you delint your rollers before you start rolling. Somebody once told me that.